Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is B071 from Beatles. This is Gaoi. I think it says 1335. And then I'm going in with my Frenches. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and ring the bell. Everything I'm linked to will be linked down below in the description. And let's get right into the video. So I'm using the Creation Black. This black is from the little liner that I have. And I'm using the actual liner brush to draw the French, and then I'm gonna go in with this brush that came in the bottle and fill it in. The liners that I'm using are from Getting Out 32. She has them for $8, and it's a 3-pack, and they are fantastic. As you can see by the way I do my Frenches, I just literally draw them on. And this one I'm just tracing it because I started drawing it in blue because that's what she wanted at first, but she ended up changing it to all chrome. So I do my chrome with black because it just looks so much better. And before you start drawing your Frenches, wipe the tacky layer off of your nude base. I do have a base coat underneath my nude color, and like I showed you, I mixed the two. So I started off with the Beatles layer, cured it for a full 60, and then I went with the Gaoi color and then cured that for a full 60, wiped it down with some alcohol, and made sure the tacky layer was completely gone because that's very important for the French and for the chrome, because the chrome will stick to anything that is sticky. I wouldn't top coat it because chrome sticks to top coat very, 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 very well. And it looks really good when it sticks to top coat. So do not top coat it. Just make sure the tacky layer is gone. After I'm done with the black, I will cure it for 60 and then move on to the next color. Well, next nail, I should say. But also, you guys know I use the blue tack sticky tabs typically, and I will link it down below, as well as these curved press-on nails, because it is very, very difficult to find curved press-on nails. It just is. So this nail is going to be in real time, and you're gonna see me literally just draw my French on. I don't do any of the A method or drawing up the sides or anything like that, just because it does not help me. It actually makes it a lot harder for me than versus just straight up drawing it. Just going for it, it makes it so much easier for me because this is just the way that I learned how to do it. And if you have a good brush, it should be easy for you. And make sure you wipe up any mistakes before you cure, because like I said, the chrome will stick to it. So I'm gonna let you guys watch, and then I will be back. As you can see, when I use that little white cleanup brush, that's not from Getting Out 32. Getting Out 32's is a little bit bigger, and it has a little dotting tool on the end. The reason why I am not using it is because just I didn't have it. But the little square brush is really small, and it's from an Amazon kit. And the little stylus I'm going to use to do the stars comes in that same kit. And I got it. You can buy it separately. It's like that little cheap nail art set that has all white handles. And it's on Amazon. I bought it with the Savvyland paint pots. So yes, and the reason why I'm using the liner brush to fill in the empty space of the French is just because that brush holds so much more product for some reason, and it's easier to just deposit the product and move it around when I use that brush. And then for my Frenches, I'm measuring it up right here to make sure it's all the same length before I go in with the chrome, because it will look so weird to have a nail that's out of place. And you want to go back and forth to make sure everything is done properly. I'm going to show you what happens when you mess up. So here's where I switched the Getting Out 32 brush, and the one I was using before is the Shop Ivy Co brush. I'll leave a link to that one in the description as well, and I'm pretty sure it was the 20mm or the 15. I'll leave them both down below. But yes, here is me with the Getting Out 32 brush, and as you can see, I just do it a little bit faster for some reason with this brush. Maybe because I've just worked with it for so long, but I really enjoy both brushes. And then after I'm done with this gel polish part, I'm going to go in with the chrome. So I don't cure it for like 30 seconds or anything. I do it for a full 60 and nothing has peeled off or chipped, and she's actually received the nails already. And if I have a video of her wearing them, I will put them up on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me there. My link tree is down below in the description. I did shape these nails beforehand, and before I fully put the nails away, after I fully top coated them and I was all done with my bling and my little gun charms, I went ahead and shaped the free edge for a second time. But these nails were square at first and now they're coffin. So yes, you will have to do a little bit of shaping to these curved nails. Just make sure they still fit you from sidewall to sidewall, and they do get kind of bumpy on the sides after you shape. So just make sure you fill in all the areas with your gel polish, and it'll build it back out for you and make it all even. But here I am going with the chrome, and this chrome is from Beetles, and then I have chrome from another company. They just kind of came in bags. Here I am doing the chrome in real time so you can see what I do. So I do pick up, and you need like a tiny bit of chrome. You really do, because not all the chrome you pick up will get rubbed in, and some people hate these little applicators, but when I use these applicators or the other silicone tool, it just rubs it in really good. And if you rub it in with your finger, it will get everywhere. But you just need a good dollop of the chrome, not too much, but good enough to where you can rub the chrome around and it'll really stick into that gel polish. Oh, one of the big tips I have for this chrome is to make sure you dust everything off. Here I am finding out that I didn't make this one as almond as it should have. I don't really like a round French too much. So here I am correcting it and making it not as deep of a French. And of course, because it's a curve, it looks way more severe from this angle that I have it at. But from the other perspective, it looks really, really good. And I like a more almond French. But to clean off the, by the way, you're supposed to do this before you do your chrome. Make sure everything is even before your chrome, because like I said, the chrome gets everywhere. To clean off any excess chrome that gets on your nail bed, I recommend tracing your chrome in top coat and then curing that for a full 6 seconds. So retracing your French or your little stars, and make sure you trace it properly, and then go in with some alcohol or some acetone and wipe it off really, really well, because the blue stained my nail so bad. I had to go back in with the nudes to cover up the staining. And this blue, as you can see, is very, very pigmented. I think I got the blue on here, but I did the stars in blue. And you guys, it stained so badly. So please be careful with these chromes. They will stick to, even if I wiped it off and it would not come off with acetone, the blue pigment rubbed into it, into the nail bed, and made a light blue. And would not come off, like I said. So please just be very, very careful. And top coat your nail art that you've done before, and then wipe the nail down with acetone, and then fully go in and top coat the nail. Here I am using the little stylus to draw my stars, because as you guys know, I cannot draw like at all, and I'm really glad I was even able to do this. Because I cannot draw at all. Point blank, period. But I guess as with time, I'm getting better and I'm learning more of just trying to follow the shape. That's my best advice, is to follow the shape that you're trying to draw. So it just started out as like random little blobs, and then I saw the star shape and I just kept going until it was the star shape. And you will have to add gel polish a couple of times to get it to where you need it to be, and then you're good. Once you do that, you're good. Sometimes it did not come out correctly and I had to erase it and start all over. And then after this, I will go in with my LGN Clear NAB Bling. And then I also use the LGN base gel to glue on my stones and the charm as well. And I cured everything for a full 60 seconds. As you can see by the stars, I did not get the blue on camera, but it was a time trying to get that off and to get everything to look clean like I had it before. But hey, it looks really, really good. I was actually really shocked it looks so good after my struggle. But I'm using the clear bling from the Clear NAB mix. I also mixed in some of the Nail to the Hustle clear bling. It's that little like pod over there on the side. Here I am showing you guys my packaging. Make sure you take your pictures and videos beforehand. Here is the buffer, the KDS glue, the wooden manicure stick, and then 2 alcohol pads, and then some sticky tabs. Here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.